You guys want to see some new SAKs? Alright, so I've got a mail call from America today. I'm very excited about what's in here. And I want to chuck them down under the camera and give you guys a look at what's in here. Stick around. Mail call Monday. Alright, we're going to start with the first one that's in the box. And actually tells us what it is. So it's a classic SD evergreen tree green, no cross. So it's got the tree logo, but yeah, no cross. Let's have a look. I want to say a huge thank you to Jason Dillman and Freeport Knife Company for supplying me with these few knives that we've chatted about recently, and they've finally arrived, so I'm super stoked. Check it. So no logo, and the logo would normally be up there. But no logo, just a evergreen tree logo. I don't know, I need to look into that. I'm not quite sure what that is. So have squiz. And yeah, she's a classic SD. There she is, the SD. We all know how I feel about that, but that's a story for past videos and maybe future. The world famous awesome scissors. Love these things. This inconspicuous looking case, I know, because I've been into this stuff already, contains a pocket pal. I don't have a pocket pal. Never really thought about pocket pals. I was chasing green stuff when I actually hassled Jason out, and yeah, this was the only green one that was available out of the three that I chose. One of them was a pocket pal, but he had a white one, and I don't have many white SAKs, so looks kind of cool. 84 mil. And all it is the main blade and the little mini blade. I'll do a better video on maybe on these, but more so on this. Thank you, Jason. Thank you to Freeport for actually reproducing these VSAKCS knives that were a limited run, but the scales were so damn popular, everybody wanted them, and they made another batch. As far as I know, that's how the story went. And here we have the Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society Super Tinker. Fun thing about the Super Tinker is that the first knife or first SAK I ever bought was a Silvertech Super Tinker. Carried the crap out of this thing for so long. Ended up putting a Swiss clip on it because I just grab it and I love to clip it on my jeans so it doesn't get lost in my pocket. And blah blah blah. Swiss clip's a whole nother video. But yeah, this new scale printing technology that you guys probably can't see with the raised divisions between the color swatch, I guess that is, of all the classics that are available at the minute. And this, yeah, it just feels great. It's a Super Tinker, so it's handy. I love it. Anyway, Mail Call Monday is done. I reckon we're going to go for a full-on video on the VSAKCS Super Tinker, probably along with the original that I ever had, the first one. Thanks for watching my Mail Call Monday video. Got the Evergreen Classic, got the white pocket pal, and we have the colorist VSAKCS Super Tinker. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe we'll do a more comprehensive one on this in the next couple of days. Thanks for sticking around. Thank you for all the new subscribers. There's been a bunch of you guys over the last 12 months, and I think I've put out one video in 18 months or something. So thank you so much for subscribing and hoping that you might see another Aussie SAKman video, because now you're seeing one and maybe you'll see a few more soon. So take care everybody, stay safe, see you soon.